Ferdinand Magellan by Niama, Frankie,
and Nandita. Ferdinand Magellan was born in Portugal, Spain in 1480. He had a mother, Aldo de Mesquita, a father, Rodrigo de Magalhães, 2 sisters, and 3 brothers. As a young child, Ferdinand studied map-making and navigation. Magellan had a very adventurous spirit, and that led him to his career as an explorer. After spending 2 years serving as a court page, he was off to explore. By his mid-20s, he was sailing in large fleets and was engaged in combat. He was promoted to the rank as captain and was stationed in Morocco. Here he made his plans to find a shortcut to the Spice Islands. At that time, Ferdinand sailed to East Africa. He was in search of spices and goods, in which he succeeded in. His proposal to establish the shortcut to the Spice Islands was cancelled by a king, but he was able to recover because of Spanish King Charles I. He had a belief that he could get to Spice Islands by sailing west. He managed to sail across the Atlantic coast to Brazil as well. He led his first exploration group around the world and set sail with 3 Spanish ships, 2 Portuguese ships, and 270 men. At this time, the Pope had drawn a treaty into dividing the world into 2 sectors, the Spanish and the Portuguese. It was a revelation that he had spent the next 5 months below 49 degrees south latitude. During this, one ship got shipwrecked, and the other ship endured desertion. Fun fact was that a strait was named after Magellan, and he had named a new ocean Pacifico, which is now in our modern days called the Pacific Ocean. The Spanish sailor Ferdinand Magellan led the first ever expedition around the world. As he traveled, he came upon the Philippines. Magellan made friends with the king of the Philippines. A group of natives that were the enemies of the king declared war. Magellan had wanted to help the king, so he came back with a small troop to help fight the natives. When he went to battle, he died, same as some of his other soldiers, and the natives shot him with a poisoned arrow as he died in 1521.